The Federal is organizing the Kanyakumari Mini Marathon 2024 to commemorate Mother's Day and Nurses Day this year on May 12. This event is sponsored by Repco Home Finance.
I am standing here live at the location of BJP candidate Neemuben Bambania's Bhavnagar, where the star campaigner is Rajnath Singh, who is speaking as we speak right behind me. There must be around 400 or 500 people gathering here. There are still some people who have not been able to enter the premises of the meeting. Notably, in 2019, the issue the BJP raised in Bhavnagar was surgical strike, Uri, and the corruption that Congress has brought in this country. It's 2024, yet another new chapter in electoral politics of India, but the issues that BJP raises is the same, or that of corruption, of patriotism, of Ram Mandir, and surgical strike. We will speak to some people here, supporters here outside who have not been able to make inside the meeting today. आप क्या बीजेपी के सपोर्टर है, वर्कर है, क्या है?
बीजेपी के सपोर्टर है।
सपोर्टर है।
हाँ।
आप इस साल बीजेपी को ही वोट करेंगे?
हाँ, बीजेपी पे वोट करेंगे।
क्या वजह है हर बार आप लोग बीजेपी को?
उसका काम बहुत अच्छा है।
कैसा काम अच्छा है? रोड, एम्प्लॉयमेंट हो, नौकरी है?
उसका अच्छा है।
अच्छा, आप क्या काम कर रहे थे? आप बता रहे हैं?
मैं हीरा का कारखाना चलाता हूँ।
कारखाना चला रहे? किस चीज का कारखाना है आपका?
हीरा का कारखाना।
हीरा का कारखाना।
हम सपोर्टर हैं, बीजेपी के
सपोर्टर है। कितने साल से आप बीजेपी को वोट दे रहे हैं सर?
मतलब मैं जब से पैदा हुआ, जब 21 इयर्स का हुआ, जब से बीजेपी को ही वोट देता है।
वोट दे रहे। इस साल बीजेपी की कैंडिडेट नीमूबेन बंबानिया है, एक नया चेहरा है, आप फिर भी बीजेपी को वोट
देंगे?
क्या वजह है जो हर बार आप बीजेपी को?
हम ऊपर केंद्र में मोदी जी को देखते हैं।
हाँ।
अगर यहाँ एक सीट बढ़ेगी तो हमको मोदी जी को सपोर्ट मिलेगा, इसलिए हम देख रहे हैं।
मोदी जी अगर केंद्र में है तब तक आप बीजेपी को ही वोट देंगे?
अगर मोदी जी नहीं भी है केंद्र में तो हम देखेंगे बीजेपी का कार्य कैसा है।
तो आप जिस एरिया में काम करते हैं वह सड़क, बिजली, पानी, नौकरी, ये सब बीजेपी ने सही किया है?
हमारा तो जो सीहोर का जो बस स्टैंड है, यहाँ का जो रोड है वो खास सुधारने जैसा है। पहली बात तो ये।
Defence Minister Rajnath Singh on Tuesday evoked Uri and the surgical strike while speaking at a poll rally to campaign for the BJP's candidate for the Bhavnagar Lok Sabha seat. Neemuben Bambania, former mayor of Bhavnagar and the BJP candidate for the Lok Sabha seat, will be contesting elections for the first time. Bambania has replaced Bharti Shial, BJP's two-time MP from Bhavnagar. Bambania, who has not been into mainstream politics, is dependent on the party's strategy and campaigners to win the polls. On April 28, the BJP roped in Rajnath Singh as the star campaigner for Bambania's poll rally to be held near Surka village in Bhavnagar district. Around 400 to 500 people from neighboring villages and a few from the city who had gathered at the rally responded and cheered as Singh began his speech with Jai Shri Ram and Jai Hind. Singh went on to evoke Uri and the surgical strike and attacked Congress by saying terrorism was rampant during its rule. In a repeat of what Modi had said in his 2019 poll campaign speech in Junagadh, Singh also brought up Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who had united Junagadh and Bhavnagar, erstwhile princely states in independent India. Bambania will be facing the India Bloc's AAP candidate Umesh Makwana, who is the sitting MLA in Botad and has more exposure to electoral politics than her. Although Bhavnagar has been a BJP stronghold, a sense of anti-incumbency can be seen among the people who claim very little has been done for the district in terms of development. However, there are others who are willing to vote for the Saffron Party for the sake of Hindutva.
The Federal is organizing the Kanyakumari Mini Marathon 2024 to commemorate Mother's Day and Nurses Day this year on May 12. This event is sponsored by Repco Home Finance.
Subscribe to the Federal's YouTube page for more news and updates.